Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove template watermark in Capcut. So first, open your Capcut app on your mobile and then here tap on the discover option right here at the bottom left and it will open the templates, and here for example we want to choose this template here. Now all you need to do here, just need to tap on this use template button right here at the bottom and then choose the image in your gallery. And once you've done, here's the video using that template in Capcut. Now to completely remove that template watermark, so all you need to do, tap on the export button right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then an option shows up right here, just need to tap on this export without watermark. So once you've done, just need to wait until it saves to your gallery. So that's how you basically remove template watermark in Capcut. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.